How to fix WhatsApp calls not working on iPhone. Trying to make WhatsApp voice calls but they won't go through? Here's how to fix WhatsApp calls not working on iPhone step by step. WhatsApp calls need a stable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data by opening a website. Go to Settings, go to WhatsApp and make sure microphone toggle is enabled. Without this, others won't hear you. If low data mode is on, it may block call traffic. Turn it off under cellular data options. Restart your iPhone if the issue continues. Backup chats and reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store. Now your WhatsApp calls should work perfectly. Happy calling. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.